Did you know that steam was used in the production of hot dogs? Stay tuned, I'll show you how on Steam Culture. Now you can call it the Frankfurter, you can call it the tube steak, or to me, if it walks like a wiener, talks like a wiener, it's a wiener. That's what I like to call mine. Whatever you call the hot dog, you'd be correct in all cases. Now, did you know, according to the Council of Hot Dog People, Americans buy about 9 billion hot dogs a year, but probably consume more like 20 million from different events like sporting events and other places that you would buy hot dogs. That's a lot of wieners, people. Now, did you know that steam is used to make wieners? Now, I don't mean make them as in to prepare them for dining. I mean to actually in the production of them. So, you know the old saying, no one wants to know how the sausage is made? You're now gonna know how the sausage is made. So the meat comes in different forms and they cut it all up. And you know, in hot dogs, traditionally, there's like chicken and pork and all sorts of things, and they mash it all into a slurry. And then they put some flavoring and seasoning in it, and then it heads down the road and it needs some form. So they actually have some kind of plastic casing that they shoot it in like toothpaste, and they form the hot dog in this casing. Well, then they go to be cooked, and they actually may even get some flavor in there. So they come out of the cooker. Now here's where the steam comes into play. The wieners are delivered to this magic steam casing peeler at about 40 degrees. But when they get there, they get hit with 25 psi steam because they have to separate the casing from the hot dog. So they blast it with steam. It separates the bond between the casing and the hot dog. And as you can see in this video, this high-speed machine has a blade that scores the casing. And right at the end, there's a vacuum on the end that sucks the casing off. And then the hot dog comes flying out. Now, if you don't believe me, just watch this. Yeah, you'll never see anything like that anywhere but here on Steam Culture. Flying wieners coming at you. So if you want to know more about hot dogs, you can Google it, or you can just send all your friends to Steam Culture and we'll tell you everything about hot dogs, because we also tell you what a dirty water dog looks like and how to properly steam a hot dog. So you can go Google us and find all kinds of great content. Hey, stop by and watch a Bowling Point while you're there. In the meantime, I'm gonna nosh on these. Now you look, I got the cheese-filled one here that my mom would never let me eat growing up because they were garbage. Then you got the regular hot dog, then you got the beef hot dog, which is my favorite. Sorry, I'm my own person.